Good day today, because not only is today's movie in the Halloween Movie Marathon Part 3 gonna be the Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2, we're also getting some barbecue. Is there a secret recipe for good barbecue?
There's no secret, it's the meat. Don't skimp on the meat.
That's true, only use the best cuts. And get that meat tenderized.
Time for incoming mail!
So when you're ready to cut, the meat just falls off the bone. Because if the meat is tough, the blade gets dull. And we can't have that because
The saw is family.
and the saw says dinner is served. Good, because I'm hungry.
I love this town. This town loves prime meat.